Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you Riddle bubble location for week 2 to get this Bountiful Harvest emote in Heartopia during the Modular Street Festival event. Okay, if you want to unlock this emote guys, the Bountiful Harvest emote, you need to find a Riddle bubble, and I'm going to show you where you can find it. You can go to the central square or the town square, and you're going to go to this area and you will find the bubble. Okay, just go here and the bubble will be right here guys, and you need to climb this lamp. Oh, you don't need to climb it, just jump and you will get this Bountiful emote, Bountiful Harvest emote. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the Bountiful Harvest emote by finding the Riddle bubble for week 2 in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.